This class is about nesting. In Adobe Premiere Pro, nesting is a technique that allows you to combine multiple clips, sequences, or effects into a single nested sequence. By nesting elements together, you can simplify your timeline, apply effects to multiple clips at once, or create complex compositions. For example, this is a timeline and you have multiple clips on your timeline, you have multiple audios in your timeline, and you want to nest your clip that is present in your timelines. So you can select these clips and there you can see nest. This is a nest. You can nest your audio or video clips. First of all, select your audio and video clips. For example, you want to nest these clips, and now right click and there is a option nest. Click on the nest and now you can see name nested sequence 1. Now you can name your sequence. I can use nested 1. So this is my name. Click OK. Now you can see the color is automatically changed in green color. Now this portion is in a nest portion. Now you have to create a nested sequence. Now you can make any desired changes to the clips, apply effects, add transitions, or make some adjustment within the nested sequence. If you want to apply some effects, you can apply. Look at these effect controls. And now if you want to apply some transitions or effects, you can apply on nested sequence. When you are done editing the nested sequence, close it or go back to the main sequence. Nesting provides flexibility and organization within Premiere Pro projects. It allows you to create more complex compositions, apply effects uniformly, and simplify the editing process by grouping related elements together. Now, I hope you can understand what is nested and how can we create a nested sequence and how can we make adjustment in the nested clip.